Here's an update on the 2017 Dodge Journey GT theft rollover. This car was stolen. Supposedly by an insurance company, the car was stolen. And then they ended up rolling it. I have some parts here. These are actually scrap parts. Excuse the mess, I'm still working. Still cleaning. Had to pull the inner fender apron off that before I could throw it on the scrap trailer. This here, actually got to pull these little plastic little tabs. This was actually bent. So it had to be replaced. It actually goes right here. I did use weld through primer. I did run up today, so I'm going to have to buy some. This is actually Saturday, so I'll probably have to buy some Monday. Unless I can get in there tomorrow and buy it. But I've done a lot of work. You guys asked for videos. I'm trying to give you as many videos as I can. I'm trying to keep you updated. So I try to get the videos out as quick as I can on this. I'm doing other things during the day, so I work on this at night. But if you see, door gap, there's a door gap now. There wasn't a door gap before. Door hasn't been moved. There's a door gap. Hey. And they are the original hinges. And they're in the original locations. And we got a door gap. Look at that. Ain't that nice? Gap up here. I still have to clamp all this stuff and weld it. I'm just test fitting at the moment. Because that actually goes a little tighter than that. It is supposed to sink into the inside the car a little bit. But yeah. That to be done. Just test fitting. I need to hang this door. But to hang the door, I gotta hide over this body panels. And I don't know if I want to hang the door again or not until I get the rest of it spot welded back together. But we probably will, because I want it all put back together before I weld it. This fender apron is bent up here. Inner apron for the fender. It's actually bent. The one off the parts Dodge Journey is right there. I actually took the whole thing. I actually only need this section here, and but I ended up taking the whole thing. But I just wanted to do this real quick. I'm gonna try to add to this video. But hopefully you've enjoyed it. See you here soon. Little update on the Dodge Journey GT. Doing some welding. Actually found another bent piece of metal. I'll show you that. But I'm doing some welding. Getting it ready to weld back up. Here's a piece of metal I put in for backing. So when I put the section on, I have a little bit thicker piece there. Probably do the same thing here, just so the welder won't burn through as easy. May do the same here, I don't know. I actually found that this piece here, it's a shirt piece, actually got bent in the wreck. It's twisted. So it's going to be replaced. It's actually this piece here. I actually cut this off the part, so I didn't have the whole piece. And here's a piece that is needing replaced. I got to drill the spot welds on it. But I just want to get a video out there. for you guys. It's what I've been doing. Is doing work. I mean, big step. We're gonna hopefully I get the side sections on and the roof skin set in place. The back hatch bolted up to make sure everything fits correctly. And then we'll go from there to start filling in all the plug welds. I got a lot of them to do, get everything done. And then I can work on the front apron. As I said in previous, this apron here got bent a little bit. This is actually pushed in, so it pushed this in a little bit. I may be able to pull that and move it out. I think it's only in 1/4 of an inch or so. May be able to pull that and pull it and straighten that out a little bit, or I will just replace it, because here's a whole nother section. I saved the whole section off the parts. But if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment. Hopefully you guys had a good Thanksgiving. If you didn't, well, sorry. But I wanted to get this video out. This is Tuesday evening. I'm going to actually upload it and everything, so it'll be ready to come out for Friday. But hopefully you've enjoyed watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. My channel's small, so if you guys share it, like the videos, it'll help get my channel out there. If you want to share it on Twitter or Facebook or anything, please do. And thank you for watching. Have a good Thanksgiving.